Welcome to myPlant mobile app training. Take your engine in your pocket with myPlant mobile application for your smartphone and tablet. Thanks to the myPlant mobile app, you can know how your engine is performing in real time, wherever you are and whenever you want. So, let's get started. What functionalities are included in the myPlant mobile app? As soon as you log in, you will find a view of your engine's fleet, with the key KPIs for each engine. You can then swipe right or left to access different views, all assets, favorites. Let's dive into a specific engine. You can click on an engine to see the engine data in the asset dashboard. The asset dashboard provides you a comprehensive overview about the engine operation, monitors the current engine health, and provides information to the engine location. You can also set engine notification by clicking on the bell icon. Engine trips, engine start and stop, component analytics, engine offline and emission warnings. Let's now see what each section contains. Under the section Operation, you find the engine's live data, such as the current power output, operating hours, or last engine contact date. In the Monitor section, click on Alarms to see the latest alarm and warning notification of your engine. Under Analytics, you can see which analytics have fired on your asset. Also, the spark plug lifetime is displayed as well as notifications of triggered analytic alarms. Provides remaining lifetime visualization of each spark plug and remaining hours of operation. Besides, you can provide feedback by swiping left or right, and feedback automatically restarts calculation of spark plug remaining life. You can also check your current support cases by clicking on the document icon on the asset level. Just click on the plus icon to open a new one. Or you can find your local technical support number on the top left menu, under Technical Support. So now it's your turn. Download and install myPlant app now and log in with myPlant credentials. You also have the possibility to test the demo version.